The largest corruption trial in state history begins today. It's already been revealed that the government found out about the alleged $60 million bribe by accident.
An FBI agent said that they wiretapped one of the defendant's phones trying to find out about another scheme and stumbled upon this very scandal.
State House reporter Morgan Trowell's in Cincinnati for the Larry Householder trial.
And the opening statements outlined what the jury needs to decide, whether $60 million was obtained in bribery or in regular political fundraising. The trial against former Speaker of the Ohio House, Larry Householder, and former GOP leader Matt Borges is beginning. And during opening statements Monday, the lead prosecuting attorney explained that Householder's team made a deal with FirstEnergy. Householder gets $60 million in exchange for a $1.3 billion bailout, saying, quote, Larry Householder sold the state house. He ripped off the people he was elected to serve, end quote.
The prosecution always has a huge advantage at the start of a case.
The government says it has evidence and testimony to prove that Householder, Borges, and the team used that bribe money for personal benefits like rent, renovations to a house in Florida, and paying off credit card debt. It says there are recordings of defendants trying to bribe people, which former Assistant U.S. Attorney Kevin O'Brien says will be hard to overcome.
You've really got to be good to jump on a moving train like this.
But the defense says the government got it wrong. During his opening, the defense attorney for Householder said, quote, none of these political contributions were made in exchange for an explicit promise, end quote. O'Brien says that the Householder team is arguing that the money received was from political campaign contributions and the money was received legally under Ohio law and doesn't fall under the bribery statute.
It's not that they're quibbling with the factual allegations. They're saying these allegations, even if they can prove them, are not enough.
But the attorney for Borges had another idea. He chose to distance his client and Householder by saying that they were political rivals and Borges didn't know about any alleged scheme.
Probably a smart tactic. If they sense that Householder is the real bad guy, which is what the government probably believes.
Just today, Larry Householder said he would love to testify at his own trial. The trial is set to continue for another 6 weeks and will be here for every major day. In Cincinnati at the federal courthouse, I'm Morgan Trow reporting.